first step is definitely the LinkedIn profile. That is your LinkedIn home. You need to be make sure, if you want to really are in a hurry, you need to make sure that the above the scroll, the top part before you scroll down, is very crisp. At least somebody who is coming would get an idea without scrolling down what you do and what are your objectives. So if a quick fix, try to fix up your above the scroll, and later on you can beef up on your all the other section of LinkedIn profile. So that's your LinkedIn home. You need to have all your furniture, paintings, everything ready to host them all. So usually it takes around a month to fix all of that. But if I am really very ambitious, I can do that all in a week. I can even do that within 2 days. It depends on how much like resources or time you have, and like the plan that you have to start hosting people. So you need to have your home right. So that's your first step. The second step is, when your home is ready, you can do this parallelly. The step 1 and step 2, you should start creating content. By content, I mean social media posts and articles which you can like write on LinkedIn, and which are hosted on your LinkedIn profile. So you can write articles which are much more broader and long piece of content than just 1300 character of your social media post or update. So try to write at least one article and 3 social media posts in a week to start exhibiting that you can walk the talk. And usually, again, you can do it parallelly within the same month while you are working on your LinkedIn profile. Now that with step 1 and step 2, you are ready to host people, you're ready to party, you're ready to bring in people and entertain in your fully furnished home. So that is where the third step, LinkedIn networking, comes, where you start targeting the right people intentionally. Because the idea of this challenge is that I want you to walk down as intentional content creator or as intentional LinkedIn profilers who is dedicating their energy, time, and resources towards targeted goals. So and with a structured process. So you need to grow and nurture your network intentionally to bring the right people onto your profile, which helps you with your professional goals. So this usually you can start in the second month, when your profile is all set, when your content is all set, which exhibit your expertise. So this you can do having clear networking goal, identifying the profiles, researching about them, customizing communication, and nurturing relationship. So this challenge, which we are culminating today in day 5, is all about that. So what I've done, I've created one challenge which is taking care of step 1 and step 2, and which is around under the brand name of LinkedIn content creation. And the step 3 is the second challenge I've announced as a course around LinkedIn networking.